Welcome back to my channel, Techno Trend Zone. Today, we dive deep into one of the most exciting rumors in photography, the Fujifilm X-E5. If you've ever missed a perfect shot due to slow autofocus or struggled with a bulky camera while traveling, this might just be the camera for you. Fujifilm appears to be solving these problems and more with their rumored X-E5. Let's explore how this camera could redefine your photography journey. For years, photographers have faced a tough choice: carrying a heavy camera packed with features or sacrificing quality for portability. According to leaks, Fujifilm aims to eliminate this compromise. Stick around because we'll break down every leaked feature, including its revolutionary autofocus system, powerful processing engine, and much more. Groundbreaking 40-megapixel sensor. Let's start with the headline feature: a 40-megapixel sensor. Imagine capturing a street scene and cropping it by 50% while still retaining enough detail for a high-quality 20x 30-inch print. This flexibility could redefine how photographers approach street photography and documentary work. Such a resolution allows you to explore multiple compositions from a single frame, offering unmatched creative freedom. But the X-E5 doesn't stop at high resolution. Fujifilm has reportedly packed this rangefinder-style body with features aimed at professionals and enthusiasts alike. From ProRes and Blackmagic RAW video capabilities to 6.2K video resolution at 30 frames per second, the X-E5 positions itself as a powerhouse for hybrid shooters. Wedding photographers, for instance, could seamlessly shoot cinema-quality video and stills with the same compact camera. Stellar low-light performance and stabilization. One concern with high-resolution sensors is their potential to compromise low-light performance. However, the X-E5 is rumored to feature advanced in-body image stabilization, IBIS, offering up to 7 stops of stabilization. This means you could theoretically shoot sharp images at shutter speeds as slow as 1 second with a 50mm lens. For low-light street photography or indoor events, this could be a game-changer. Imagine capturing a softly lit cafe scene without the harshness of flash or artificial lighting. With stabilization like this, the X-E5 could maintain the natural ambience of your shots, elevating your storytelling to a new level. High-resolution photography. 160-megapixel pixel shift mode. For those seeking even higher resolution, the X-E5's rumored 160-megapixel pixel shift mode could rival medium-format cameras. Picture an architectural photographer capturing every brick and detail of a high-end real estate project. This feature would provide unparalleled clarity and texture, allowing photographers to deliver exceptional results without investing in significantly more expensive gear. Advanced autofocus system. The autofocus system could be another standout feature. According to reports, the X-E5 will use AI-driven technology to predict subject movement. Imagine photographing a bird in flight. Traditional autofocus systems might struggle as the bird passes behind a branch. However, this advanced system could maintain focus, ensuring you never miss a moment. For wildlife and sports photographers, this would be a monumental upgrade. Immersive electronic viewfinder. The rumored electronic viewfinder with 3.69 million dots promises an experience close to an optical viewfinder. Combined with a high refresh rate and reduced latency, this EVF could make fast-moving subjects appear smooth and natural. It eliminates one of the remaining advantages DSLRs hold over mirrorless cameras: fast continuous shooting speeds. Speed is essential for many photographers, and the X-E5 delivers. Rumors suggest it can achieve 20 frames per second with the electronic shutter and 15 frames per second with the mechanical shutter. These speeds place it in direct competition with cameras traditionally seen as more professional grade. Photographer-friendly design. Fujifilm's rumored 3-inch, 1.84 million tilting touchscreen LCD could be another winner. Imagine setting focus points, adjusting exposure, or navigating menus with smartphone-like gestures while maintaining a firm grip on the camera. This design could be a lifesaver for street photographers who need to work quickly and discreetly. Expected release date and pricing. Now the big question: when can we expect the Fujifilm X-E5? Sources suggest a release before August 2025. As for pricing, comparable cameras with similar features typically fall between $2,000 and $3,000. However, Fujifilm's history of aggressive pricing strategies might mean the X-E5 launches at a more accessible price point. This could shake up the market and force competitors to rethink their offerings. Why the Fujifilm X-E5 matters. The X-E5 isn't just an incremental upgrade. It represents a significant leap for Fujifilm's X series. By combining high-resolution imaging, professional-grade video capabilities, and advanced autofocus in a compact body, Fujifilm aims to cater to both professionals and enthusiasts. This camera could redefine what's possible in a portable system. Final thoughts. Are these rumored features enough to make you consider the Fujifilm X-E5? Share your thoughts in the comments below. And if you're interested in Fujifilm's future innovations, check out my detailed breakdown of the rumored Fujifilm X-T6. Trust me, you won't want to miss what Fujifilm has planned for that model. Thanks for tuning in to Techno Trend Zone. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated on the latest in photography technology. I'll see you in the next video, where we continue exploring groundbreaking tech in the world of photography.